In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use multiple monitors and link charts in TradingView, offering the easiest way to enhance your trading setup in 2025. Let's start by navigating to TradingView, which is your go-to platform to track all market activities. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the TradingView website, whether it's stocks, crypto, or other financial instruments you're interested in. This is where you can find all the data you need. Once you're on the TradingView homepage and logged into your account, you'll want to direct your attention to the monitors icon. This will typically be located toward the top portion of your screen. Clicking on this will give you the ability to expand your view across multiple monitors, a step essential for those who work on a multi-screen setup and need to monitor several charts simultaneously without clutter. Next, you're going to open a new window within TradingView. This can be done by selecting the option presented after clicking the monitor's icon. Opening a new window essentially allows you to split your workspace, giving you more flexibility and control. It's particularly helpful to keep an eye on various market trends simultaneously or to compare different charts side by side. Now it's time to configure your new window. Here, you have the opportunity to customize what you want to see, from the type of charts to particular indicators. Spend a few moments tailoring the setup to fit your needs. Whether you're day trading or keeping tabs on long-term investments, configuring this properly is crucial for efficient workflow. After you've set up your new window, it's time to open the layout setup. This feature enables you to decide how you want your charts to appear. Do you prefer a grid view or a cascading layout? Consider your trading style and what makes the most sense for your analysis. Moving on, you'll need to enter the symbols of the assets you wish to track. Use the search bar to input each symbol you'd like to follow. This could be anything from particular cryptocurrencies to traditional stocks. Ensure you have the correct symbols by double-checking as you enter them. Next, assign a sync group for your charts. This feature helps you link multiple charts together so they can be synchronized, providing a coherent view across different windows. It's an incredibly useful tool when you want everything to update simultaneously, giving you a holistic overview of the movements in real time. To activate this syncing, you'll select a matching emoji for the sync group. Each group has a distinctive emoji, making it simple to identify which charts belong together. This intuitive feature is one of TradingView's handy personalization tools. Once everything is synchronized, you should see your charts moving in unison. This cohesion allows for lower chances of missed signals, since all related information is seamlessly aligned. Finally, save your layout. By saving the configuration, you ensure that all your hard work is preserved for the next trading session, streamlining your process even further. This way, every time you log into TradingView, you'll be greeted with your personalized setup ready to go. By following these steps, you can effortlessly enhance your trading efficiency using TradingView's powerful tools and features. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.